Look, do me this one favor. You listening? You listening?
Man, what?
I say, is you listening?
Yeah, what?
Tell your mama. Nah, I ain't even gonna say your mama, cause that's professional. Tell your mammy to stop trying to send me a friend request on Facebook, cause I'm not her friend in real life, and I'm not gonna be her friend on social media. That's what you can do. That's what you can do.
Hello, I broke my blood clot door. Who the fuck is you? Hello, where's Prince? This bitch done lost our bumbo blood clot mine. You come on my doorstep and ask for my blood clot man there. Bitch, who is you? Hello, you gotta shut the fuck up or I gotta answer the blood clot question. Where Prince there? What? Bitch! Watch your blood clot mouth, bitch! Watch your mouth!
And not bring it to her face.
No, you did. And
Shut up, log out, bitch. Bye, you done. You just got your head bashed in. Shut the up before I do it again, ho.
character. Ain't nobody was banging on you.
Bitch, I know your mother boys, bitch. You smoke hella cigarettes. I know your mother.
You was like, where y'all bitches at? Where